Hi friends, today we will start the first topic in Kset 2025 syllabus. First one, viruses and virus structure. Viruses are constituted of genetic material DNA or RNA covered by a protein capsule, also known as a capsid. This simple structure compared to other cellular organisms and absence of any kind of metabolic activity of its own make it very difficult to treat it as a living organism. All viruses are obligate intracellular parasites, that is, they depend on the host cell to complete their life cycle. A virus does not have its own metabolism. In five kingdom classification, cellular organisms are not mentioned. Viruses are non-cellular and not truly living, so they are not included in five kingdom classification. Viruses have an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Viruses are obligate parasites. When they infect a cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell to replicate themselves, killing the host. Louis Pasteur gave the name virus means venom or poisonous fluid. Based on the kind of genetic material, they contain two types, DNA viruses and RNA viruses. Retroviruses are viruses whose genetic material is RNA. Those are retroviruses. For example, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, and SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. And then bacteriophages are viruses specialized in a parasitism of bacteria. These are having a DNA as a genetic material. These are DNA viruses. Structure of virus. Virus particles means virions are composed of two principal parts. Those are nucleic acid and protein. Proteins sometimes made up of lipoproteins, include lipids and proteins. And then the protein cells of plant virus are assembled in accord with one of the two fundamental types of symmetry. Those are helical symmetry and isohedral symmetry. Helical means roughly elongated. Its length is 300 into 18 nanometer. Then isohedral symmetry, it is roughly spherical in shape. It's a 30 nanometer. They have to infect a cell, hijack, control the cell and cause it to make new copies of viruses. Viruses do not have cytoplasm, do not have a metabolism. The AIDS virus, HIV, for instance, is a retrovirus. This means that it copies its RNA genome into DNA, and that is then integrated with the host cell DNA by reverse transcriptase enzyme. Structure shows the viral genome can DNA or RNA, but not both. The protein cell or capsule of virus is called a capsid and is composed of many smaller protein subunits called capsomeres. Some viruses have many glycoprotein. Those are spikes which dot their capsid surface and act as attach the virus to specific receptor site on the host cell membrane. Capsid can be polyhedral or filamentous or a complex in shape. This is all about virus and virus structure notes. If you want to write a notes, pause the video and write down. Then we will discussing about major plant diseases. Major plant diseases are caused by viruses. Those are citrus trichia virus, it infects the citrus plants, and then cucumber mosaic virus infects the cucumber. Tobacco mosaic virus, it is the first viral infection in plants. It is discovered. This is a TMV. Fourth one, tomato spotted wilt virus, TSWV. Tomato yellow leaf curl virus, TYCLCV. Then sixth one, potato virus Y, PVY. Cauliflower mosaic virus, it causes diseases in cauliflower. African cassava mosaic virus, and then rice tungro virus, then soybean mosaic virus, barley yellow dwarf virus. These are the major plant viruses. Thank you.